So on this worksheet, I'm just going to do the first one, and then you'll be doing the remaining 3 before moving on to your notes. So on this example, I'm going to begin my graph at -1, since that's my y-intercept. Then I'm going to use my slope, which is 3/1, from here to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then run 1. I'm going to do that as many times as I can that will fit on the graph, and I'm also going to go in both directions. When it's time to connect with my line, because it's less than, I'm going to connect with a dotted line. And then finally it's time for my test point, which because 0, 0 is available, I'm going to use that, which means I'm going to be replacing both x and y with 0. So that's going to say 0 is less than 3 times 0 minus 1, which is going to say 0 is less than -1. That is not true, which means 0, 0 is not part of the truth. So I need to shade this inequality on the side opposite the origin. So my solution to this inequality is my picture. It's the line with a y-intercept of -1, a slope of 3, a dotted line, and the shading on this side. I can then use this picture to determine if these ordered pairs over here are solutions just based on the graph. I could also check them by replacing x and y with the numbers indicated by the ordered pairs, but the graph is a good visual. So if I do 2, 2, that means I'm going to go over 2, up 2. That's this blue point here. Since this blue point is in the shaded region, that means yes, it is a solution. Then I could try the point 0, 2, which means to go over 0, up 2. That's this point here. That's not in the shaded region, so that would not be a solution. And then my last one is going to be the point 2, 5, over 2, up 5. Now this time it lands on the line, so that's kind of a maybe. But because this line is dotted, that means that it is no. The only way that a point on the line can be part of the solution is if the line is solid, and the way that that needs to happen is if this inequality is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. So at this point, you're going to pause the video, you're going to complete the remaining problems before moving on to the notes, and this will be checked tomorrow.